Hey everybody, it's Chris Load here, and in this screencast I'm going to show you how to do a couple of things. First of all, how to get a little banner like this on your page, and secondly, how to add this calendar view on your page. Alright, so this is a test class that I've made. I'm going to go to another class right here, another test class where I don't have those features. So the first thing I want to do is I'm going to go into this Edit Content button. So tap on that little easy button, and up comes kind of like a little editing menu. And instead of typing any text, I'm just going to go to the Insert tab, and I'm going to insert a picture. And it's on my computer, so I've saved this banner to my desktop. So I click on Computer, and then I have to go and choose a file. And where is it? On my desktop, it is, I believe, this screenshot right here. Yes, that's the one. So this screenshot here, and I hit choose. All right, so I've chosen that. Now I'm going to say OK down here. And then I can rename it here. So I'm going to go banner, A-N-N-E-R, banner. And down here, then I click on Save. And it will blast in that little banner right there. I can click on it once, and if I want to center it on my page, I can click Center that. I'm treating it like a piece of text, so I click on Center. Another thing is if I wanted to do some editing, because I have selected it, it's not selected. If you watch these little tabs appear up here, when I click on it, these tabs appear. I click on Image. And here I can change the horizontal size. So if I wanted to increase it, make it a little bit larger, I could do that. And then I click on Publish. And that will blast that little banner there. Now, another thing is I've been asked is, how do I get rid of that word home? The way to do that is to go up here and click on this little Edit button. And apparently I am not signed in anymore. So let's try this again. Click on the Edit button. And this gives you the editing capabilities of that whole page and the layout and whatnot. But all I'm going to do is I'm just going to go here in the Home, and I'm just going to leave it as a space. So there's going to be nothing there. Then I have to go back here and click Save. And so that word Home is gone. So that kind of moves my banner up closer to the top. So that's adding the banner. Now, the second thing that you might want to do is you might want to add a calendar down here, maybe below the news and announcements and handout and material. Again, I'm going to go back into this Edit menu, so I click on Edit. And I'm going to scroll all the way down. You can see there's my news and announcements and my handouts and materials. And they're in just a couple of columns. I'm going to go all the way to the bottom here and go into this one column view because I want my calendar to be really large, and I'm going to click on Add an App. And then you can see there's a bunch of selections over here. I'm on Apps, and the first one is Calendar. I like that. I'm adding it to the one column view, and I just click on Add. And that will blast that calendar view in there. And once I'm happy with that, then I click Save. And there we go. I have a bunch of items, and I had a bunch of items already blasted into my calendar on this site, and so they will appear here. And you can see it's you can see these calendar items. If you want to add a new one, you can see you mouse over and click on Add. And then you just type in field trip to Science World and select the time. We're going to go at 9 o'clock and maybe back at 2 o'clock and hit Save. And there we go, field trip to Science World. So there you go, adding a calendar onto your page, that calendar view, plus also adding that banner. Hopefully these will help you with the creations of your websites. Thank you.